we're looking at conditional probability here, and you'll see this symbol A with the line B. So what that means is A given B. So it's got a condition applied to it. So another way of thinking it, A happens knowing that B has already happened. So what does that actually look like? Well, let's see. So in a class of 40 students, and again we've got a Venn diagram here, 34 like bananas, 22 like pineapple, and 2 dislike both fruits. In my universal set, I'm going to put the 2 on the outside that don't like either, and I'm going to have my B for bananas and P for pineapples. Now I know that there are 38 students, so 40 take away the 2 that don't like fruit, 38 students that like fruit, but if I've got the 34 students that like bananas and 22 that like pineapple, that means that I've got 56 students accounted for that like fruit, but I've only got 38 there. So 56, take away the 38 possibilities, leaves me 18, I believe. 18 students that like both bananas and pineapples. Which means if I look at the ones that like bananas, there are 34 in total, so 16 and 18 gives me 34. And then the 22 that like pineapple, well 18 and 4 will give me 22. Just to double check that there are only 40 students in there, I'm going to add everything together. So 18 and 2 gives me 20, plus 16 is 36, plus the 4 gives me 40. So I know I've accounted for all the students. Let's get stuck into the question. So how many like both fruits? Well, we know that the intersection is where they like both, so that's going to be 18 out of 40. Remember, we would write our notation PR brackets both fruit equals 18 over 40, but just for speed I'm doing it like this. Don't forget to cancel it down. Likes at least one fruit, so that could be they could like bananas, they could like pineapples, but that's at least one, so more can include more than one, which means it's going to be anything in the union of those. So that could be 38 out of 40, and again, probability, cancel that down. C likes bananas, given that he or she likes pineapple. So if we look at the students that like pineapple, this is our circle. So given that they like pineapple, we know that there are 22 of these students. What's the probability that they like bananas? Well, that's going to be 18 out of the total amount, which is the 18 and 4, 22. Again, cancel that down. Dislikes pineapple, so P dash, so the complement of pineapple. Dislikes pineapple, given that he or she likes bananas. So these ones in my circle here like bananas. We know that there are 34 in there in total. So what's the probability that they dislike it? Well, we can see that these people don't like pineapple, so they dislike it. So it's 16 people that like bananas, that don't like pineapples, out of the total of 34. And again, we'd go through and cancel that down. So read the question. Likes pineapple. Alright, so there we go, pineapple. Which circle am I referring to? The pineapple. Likes bananas as well. Well, that's going to be in the intersection, so it's identifying the information. But don't forget, when you're adding the denominator of your fraction, you've got to tally the two together. Simple mistake to make.